The world of luxury smartwatches is changing, and TAG Heuer just set a new standard. Meet the TAG Heuer Calibre E5, the next-generation smartwatch that perfectly blends Swiss craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. This isn't just another smartwatch, it's a statement piece, a fusion of elegance and innovation designed for those who demand performance and prestige in one powerful package. With its stunning titanium or stainless steel body, sapphire crystal display, and Google's latest Heuer OS 4 powered by the Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1, the Calibre E5 delivers lightning-fast performance, ultra-smooth animations, and a battery life that finally matches its luxury status. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. From the breathtaking AMOLED display to handcrafted digital watch faces inspired by iconic TAG Heuer designs like the Carrera and Monaco, this watch redefines what it means to wear sophistication on your wrist. Whether you're a collector, a tech enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates fine design, the TAG Heuer Calibre E5 might just be the ultimate expression of modern luxury. So today, let's dive deep into everything that makes this watch a true masterpiece, from its design and materials to its power, features, and the experience of wearing one of the finest smartwatches ever created. The world of luxury smartwatches is about to be shaken once again, and this time, it's TAG Heuer leading the charge with its next-generation masterpiece, the TAG Heuer Calibre E5. Known for decades as one of the most prestigious names in Swiss watchmaking, TAG Heuer has always stood at the intersection of tradition, performance, and innovation. But with the Calibre E5, the brand isn't just updating a smartwatch, it's redefining what a luxury wearable can be in the age of artificial intelligence, health tracking, and digital style. At first glance, it's clear this isn't just another gadget pretending to be a watch. It's a true luxury timepiece crafted with the same attention to detail you'd expect from a Carrera or Monaco, yet infused with cutting-edge technology that rivals the very best from Apple, Samsung, and Google. The Calibre E5 represents TAG Heuer's boldest vision yet, a seamless fusion of Swiss craftsmanship and Silicon Valley intelligence. The watch itself exudes sophistication, its body sculpted from premium-grade titanium or polished stainless steel, its lines sharp yet timeless, and the rotating crown and pushers giving it that unmistakable TAG DNA. This is a watch that doesn't scream for attention. It commands it quietly through precision, refinement, and elegance. And yet, beneath that elegant exterior lies a powerhouse of next-gen tech running Google's latest Heuer OS 4, powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon W5 Plus Gen 1 platform. The result? Lightning-fast performance, ultra-smooth animations, improved energy efficiency, and a level of responsiveness that previous Heuer OS devices could only dream of. Everything about the Calibre E5 feels elevated, from the fluid scrolling of menus to the crisp transitions between watch faces and notifications. It's clear that TAG Heuer has refined every aspect of the digital experience to match its physical craftsmanship. What truly sets the Calibre E5 apart is its display, a breathtaking 1.43-inch AMOLED panel that's not only brighter and sharper than ever, but also seamlessly integrated into the curved sapphire crystal that protects it. The colors are rich, blacks are deep, and brightness peaks so high that even direct sunlight can't wash it out. TAG Heuer's signature watch faces have been reimagined for this new model. Not gimmicky animations, but beautifully rendered digital versions of their classic designs, such as the Carrera, Aquaracer, and Monaco, all brought to life with modern digital